So we came to rescue one of our brothers, and this is it. QNet. Yes, sir. Look at what they are eating. Kanzo.
I still don't get why, no matter the amount of video evidence is proving that QNet is a scam, still people fall for this fraudulent business. Enra, National Security Council, soldiers for Ankasa, Ebo Kumasi Tafo, na Omako rescue victims of QNet and Kofui. Na baby agofu moda, eduani omudi ni ho, ene enyema yakoso holo na ebusia ayara hosem. Aha Penyah block media. Mesra say any demo. Obe like video around about subscribe button and subscribe click bell notification icon for latest updates. Na be try you ndabam ewo comments. Mesra so baswa. Obe share video mo aso enya bi ahwe. Now, the issue of QNet as an entity, as a business entity, and can yes scam. Because QNet, they deal in the production of products. Our product a good, effective product. I mean, come use some product with our herbal team. But herbal team be that nice.
So you've been doing this for over 2 decades.
That's correct. Yeah.
What sets QNet apart from the others?
Yeah, a lot of companies will say, oh, it's our product that sets us apart from the rest, or it's our compensation plan. Let's be honest, you can compete on product, you can compete on comp plan, you can compete on your longevity as a company, because there's a lot of companies that started and failed in this business. And what has kept us going is really our DNA, our value system, which we like to call rhythm, raise yourself to help mankind. And why that has driven us for 26 years is because a lot of companies can get lost in making a lot of money in this business.
Okay.
But with us, we focused a lot on giving back. So we spent a lot of time and a lot of money on training our distributors. In fact, that's why we're here, for the next few days in Accra, is to spend a lot of time training our independent sales force within Africa. So what really sets us apart is our value system, servant leadership, making sure that even though I am successful, I am here to also help others. I'm also here to pull others up and create new leaders, create new business builders. I'm also here to make sure that I don't seek instant gratification.
The concept of selling financial freedom. Today, I'm here to share a message, which is F2, find your two in QNet business. Over the years, a lot of people have been trying to complicate this business in one way or the other, and have converted our business into rocket science, which is not. My dear brothers and sisters, when I started QNet business, I love QNet business because of its simplicity. Okay, because of its simplicity. And simplicity in QNet business means what you need to do to be successful. And that is what I want us to understand today, bringing back the simplicity of QNet business. Ultimately, when you join QNet, you are now a networker. And your goal, your target is to achieve financial freedom. And of course, you want the simplest and fastest way to reach that goal. Firstly, you need to understand this. QNet is basically a network marketing company. And with any network marketing company, it revolves around people. Okay, it revolves around people. It is not based on only the product. Okay, of course, QNet has amazing products. One of them, which is what? The chip pendant 4. And I love this product. I love this chip pendant so much. Now, the products alone are not going to make you financially free. This is what you have to understand. The products alone are not going to make you financially free. You need people to buy the product. You need people to promote the product. But more importantly, you need people to promote the compensation plan and focus on selling the idea of financial freedom. And of course, that is why I joined QNet. I joined QNet because I wanted to be financially free.
And the issue of QNet, the idea is nice, but scammers for the muhuremu. Scammers the rate at which the scam business in QNet is moving, it even moves faster than the original deal.
Ade chikura na ukodwale a obi di wachi ana obekwa kodwale se obekwa akoye nhu yi a obi di wachi ye nyama nko anwo nam ana after 4 days na ede mi phone ma me no so omo hotspot me a nipa no kuta phone no ana o messages no ono no reply se du audio a ogina phone no kuta no na wa ka kire o se e bia bonisei ka kire obra se o ugusu a wo ye den wo ye o process no ana ka kire wadamfo no se ugusu a wo ye den wo ye o process no after 4 days in 5 days na sana me be hu madam for no girl no ono ka kire me so wo France no me be hu no document wa na o me say Penyah ba ko ba say o was surprise mama na me say surprise na me de ha hwan na minimu na ye be mam surprise ndi me twa na o say o me nkata wo de me nkata mani na me bo afu pa ana me si me trase sei nti me si me trase no be 30 seconds o si me pejam ti a girl no a ogina manim na me yemu hyeme na eho no senka okoye be ma anka me ne no totoi nti me pejam mu na me ben na me say Linda nti ada na wa mabo form sa wonim se enya akwantu na enye bibise a na senka ebi kura wo pekwan abafia na wo pekwan adwane a ada na wa nka kire me na nka me nso ma hwe kwan a mefa so a meboa na nka wo so wa de wa back to Ghana na ese wodi mi abeka wo so wonim se me ma me wuye me nuanom ketewa me ana me yede me hwom wodi mi aba me ba kura no nkola no menyo mu skampo ana me di mirika because me pentem se na ebe ya menya ba bi pa atena na nka me di abe yede abehwe nkola yi asema obeka ne se minya abotre na eye business na sika wo ana mbisa ne se nti wo ba no wanya sika na wasi da bi na sika ne beba na msi sika ne free yin beba because adwuma fa sika bra obi tumi se ni sika ba na se nipa no mbisa mu leader ne se meka se mi nya adwuma na mi sika na muka kire me se sika ne de ahye na ko Malaysia ne de na se kwan am fa so de me ba ne ye ntro de a na se adwuma na ngasa ye den aye ntro ntimi nya adwuma no nti mo hwe kwan a mo ba fa so a mo de me be ko back to Ghana na mo de misika ba ye den ebe ma me ka sa kire gen no so asem o kan se sika no nya de a me nsa be kan nti me di efie nsensam no so e kan ho no na afen so e ho no so akoye French me nti French won so aye nyaa ma nko aho na ntimpo no waka se wu dwane na e bia wakohia obuafo obi se bia obeboa na ode obekọ back to Ghana na obeka wa asem a kire na obeka se obi abetena me nchen ha na me hwe kwan a mefa so a mede meboa ebi ni ho sa nti na afi
third fourth almost menye list of my contacts and you make us say nipa be 500 na say no mo bisa question no o me bisa say wo yase na why pa na wa list ni mo a oji wudi na wa bo mo din why pa na hye nanumu a obeja mudi ama why pa na say wu a ye friend obeja bibi enche say questions ni dawson o mbe ya de hu nipa o mo trust o na fi rules ni say uni hu kwan say wo fresh enkrofo ni e wo fie na emom no dru fie a wo be frɛ wo mo aka chom say adwuma bi sika wo mu oni omo ka wi a katikọ no o so obi apa adwuma nti unya katikọ no mbe try say omo be frɛ wo back omo frɛ wo back a men peke call no oba office on mo a no abe frɛ omo na be kyerɛ wo asɛm a ka kyerɛ nipa no afi na meti ona msi na se minim se mo si product na boy na esere o si an sei na abe ya obenya sika na wo se wo de nkrofo nso be mu ansa na wanya sika na se saa na ye ma Porsche edi wadamfo ni bem na mse saa Porsche ena de madamfo ni bem na madamfo ni nimu se obo Porsche adin a member mi bisa ne se de na okom ono ka chem se be kwan hene ena de ne call se adwumanim ye point na me frɛ Porsche na before then nso no me tue sika ni 2 weeks o ma me be sign na paper bi na wonim se de paper no be sia no so be sign ya nipa be mienu ejina wo nchen asem yensa na mo ne wo bon komo ye ne ntem ne sign na ade no say abrofo ne say wonko a wo de na aka eno na mo di bi o bank account nti wo no wa dwen maso say agreement not knowing say person nyama bebrebe na e wo no under it no o ma sure say wo purchase product na o money enye refundable na me meti wo no ama ya margin say me go to product bi mo so mo ka chem say registration ana me de me frɛ portion na me keka margin say na me sister me jimisika na me misika de yeni bisa me brankasa na menya me keka margin say na me frɛ lady no de me ko madam fo no when am call report asem no Kumasi police station na ko first sem na
enti ekwa do no ade chia na o ka chem say I say you call office or back. You call office or and on by bibia me start juma gidigidi so and that's very good. Say juma nti na me call you. The as you go do no na mo o apart flat na mo wo no. Ana mo ko bie dan bi na me rem. Na guy ba ko so be rem, Kumasi guy bi so be rem, na Accra guy bi so be rem. You call na guy ba ko ye Ghana guy. O shoot come on. Ana be read them. Obere dem na offer you can say a white black board be and offer marker and start to try what you are coming to do here. I want to introduce to the work a little bit and blah 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 starting marking cho and I mean business say nti ha ye mba be driving bia wa ha o si o there be ha dey nye driving ana Kumasi guy no so be say the higher ana oye ni say ye mba be packaging bia wa ha o si o there be enye packaging nti driver for na ye kono ye mienu ana guy no o si o wa kra o ma ni boss to ni car no so 2 kwan uti ma say ana o ka chen say aha no enye driving na mba be ono de was start here say or like tears or so guy na also IT man wo Ghana ha say no wa high in shop awa koju busu an bank of 50 million the can sika because 2 kwan no sika ndo magisa na jo na nti sa sika no ye de a onsan kasa sika no sorry onsan kasa sika no nti media mitiechiro miti was say as a plastic chair say na miti wona mesre na teacher no visa nti boss enye driving na ba wa omusi da bi nti nipa no ka che say ba be internet marketing na ye mba nti na like omu use that strategy no I'm say Masuru sa mi no mi bibi ya me before sa na mi di esirasem na I want to go off of that kind of way no. Nti I feel them see you mate. Nti me next movement I want me to say me mom na me preface our compound na me bag na back. Because me car oh ejuma me ye no e wo ho. Anya bibia just that say me koye 1 year bi na me sasika no 3500 say obeka say driver na 3500 say obeka say wo ko me ogana me sika ba 77 ndu sa amount no the be free one na me ko gina ba bi obahu say we aba me so me ba sa na me ni so aye ko me so ba sisi anu me sika kakra sisi anu adwuma we de online marketing de omo ya QNet for me ni say wuti asem bi say QNet for omoji 4000 wo Ghana ha e wo Kumasi side wo baby na omo ka cho say online marketing so usika beba bosu anyampa usika mba ubetina na ukro cedis 1 million cedis kra omo sisa ma wo sa krom no nti ubeka ho uni sifa na usisa 8000 na usisa ko sifa omoji sa sika no free unsem no no ukra mesi sika mbetumi asisa wo pay dollar
Abidjan
ho no.
Ghana cities I want to miss.
Somehow. Say I want to try and promise somehow. Into waka ho. Uma me ni papa kra want to nka. E just I go try am SIM card and through WhatsApp. And I bet you me contact you mo. Me kon wo. SV me to power bank na ka me di ba akra ba like me wa baby na mo frame na me so me sham because me e bia mo pentem. Me to power bank back 4 from Second to Dabisu, from Dabisu to Osekrom border. Me see me background me to last one was Kumasi I say 1.
It is sad much akoye. And now what they do is they use settings.
If you don't understand us, come close and let's explain ourselves to you. Stop nagging around the bush. We are the best.
And we understand ourselves than other people understand. So come to me and I will explain myself to you.
Bam.
My copy in Canada and soon I'm not sure. In Tim Craig Macra, you could be a cranny. Canada, I see a Canada, I could do Canada, or snow, and in Tim
Obeze omok egadamo yet mugu dem nyam matade papa bi ya ibi ahyehye yesi video se over London yesi video se over ha ye video se over ha ama amanfo bibida no abehye omu amanfo na abehye omu life experience as to how they got scammed by these QNet fraudulent people. But I still wonder why people are still falling for these QNet fraudulent activity. I'm Enra, Kumasi Tafo Penyah. Baby, a QNet for your live lavish life on the internet. Baby, omuda, ewu Kumasi Tafo. Soldiers for call echo rescue woman. Let's watch this video.
No, it should best be go home. Go home and have a better living than this.
Ya kin gani shi da hawa nyara.
Hey, take part in you.
Ya kin ba zan fara ra. Nyara. Ya kin ha ko ko ko. Na da ba.
And let it. Ya let it aka.
Aye. What shop are you people?
Where are you from? Huh? Hey, you know where I'm talking about? Where are you from?
Sasala West. You can imagine. Oh, Sasala Sasala West.
Good part.
You can imagine.
Don't say Bolu side. Whose side you are saying Bolu side? Which part of Sasala West are you coming?
Are you coming from?
So we came to rescue one of our brothers, and this is it. QNet, where they have been keeping their people. Look at where they put them. Look, don't complain, don't explain, just believe. They psych the children in such a way that whatever you tell them, make them believe they are going to be billionaires in the next 2 months.
Have you captured the candidates?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look at what they are eating. Kanzo. See. God have mercy on us.
Office.
Who is that person?
Which office?
This is the way
Which office?
This is the way they are fooling people. Then you pay 11,000, pay this is the way they are fooling people. That 11,000 can get you a better job.
What sort of job, better job are you getting?
He's saying that the chain is with someone at the office there. So we go for it. Me, I don't want us to go and read there. You say that
it's not there again.
But they are joking with you. You think that they are playing. Why man, now I should have a better sleep here. That you, ma, so we are seeing
This one.
my oh man, no, after this one we are going to discipline them more. These people they are like
we will handle them to you.
At the balance today. The way you are married.
We will handle them for you. The way you are going to treat them, you can treat them. We have got nothing to say about them.
Just I just wonder say, dey be pan and kofu me na egu o madwene so. Ya campo wo hanom. Wo aboka. Fine, if you can even pay 11,000, 12,000, 15,000, 8,000. Sika no tuawi. Ya do ba honom no. You are being treated as sorry to say this, as animal. Oh, nyansa nkofi. Oh, abusuafo. You can go back to your family. Still, you are there and they are maltreating you. Oh, di kanzo aduane ase. Emo ye mama no mo noa, ni mama tomatoes. Na mo de enchene, afrate tomatoes no mo noa. You don't make the stew. Emo no raw to Jimmy mo noa. Na mo de tomatoes, ni mama enchene afrate tomatoes na and now yes stew. And na mo de mo. Are you crazy? Now that's what we mu. There was a QNet there. So before I say me wo ha na QNet didn't too quite slap that person. Bonasum pa bonasum. We wa hu nya kwada slap that person. because diagra be do dokonokwa or be masem afọ ase. Kyerɛ wadwe ma me ɛwɔ comment section. Hi Penyah Block Media.